An IED was found this morning at a culvert in between Trong Laubi and Oksongbung along the Tidim Road under Moirang Police Station of Bisnupur district. According to our correspondent, the bomb was detected by bomb expert sniffer dog. Further details are awaited. Manipur Mahut Minister T.S. Shamkumar launched online building permission system for North East State at City Convention Centre, Imphal today. The Sikkim government has declared October 5 as the government holiday to commemorate the birth anniversary of former Chief Minister Nar Bahadur Bandri. He was the second longest serving Chief Minister, who was also the founding leader of Sikkim Sangram Parishad Party. The announcements were made by Chief Minister P.S. Gole during a book release function titled Atal Bandhari. A group of Chinese scientists will start trialing a long-lasting human immunodeficiency virus SIV vaccine on 160 volunteers. The first time that such a vaccine has reached a second phase human trial as per sources. The candidate vaccine known as DNA-RTB relies on the application of the virus DNA to stimulate effective immunization against the virus.